Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to set up delegates on X, Twitter, using your PC. Delegates allow you to grant specific roles and access to other users. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account with the credentials of the account you wish to delegate a role to. Step 2. Once logged in, click on Your Account in the navigation bar. Step 3. Select Security and Account Access from the options. Step 4. Look for X Delegate and click on it. Step 5. Next, click on Invite a Member. Step 6. In the Invite a Member to this account field, type the name or @username of the person you'd like to invite. Step 7. Assign a role to the member by selecting either Contributor or Admin. Step 8. Finally, click on Send Invite. Once you have invited someone, they will receive an email and an invitation in Delegate. And that's it. You have successfully set up delegates on X, Twitter, using your PC. Delegates can help you manage your account more efficiently and collaborate with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.